Hey guys, what's up? My name is Caesar from Later CNC Machinery. Today, we are standing at SMICK Factory, one of our business partners in Shanghai City. And now behind me is one of our flagship products, F300 series product line. It consists of one CNC machining center, 2 drilling machines, and 1 end milling machine. And now I'm gonna make a detailed introduction about it. Well, let's look at here. Here is the loading section. You can load your aluminum profiles on it. The length of profiles starts from 0.3 meters to 7 meters, and the max width and height of these profiles is 115 millimeter by 115 millimeter. So whether you produce large or small windows, a product line is always your best choice. And here is a ruler on it for easy measurement of your profiles. And well, let's look at here. Here is the clamp. The clamp will hold and then pushes the profiles forward to the machining center. You can load at most 7 pieces of profiles on it. And here is the machining center. It's designed to perform CNC drilling, milling, and saw cutting. At the most, 4 drills and 3-meter saws are installed for various applications. For example, the front drill is designed to grow for the draining holes of the profiles. After milling, drilling, and saw cutting, each profiles will be printed with a QR code. And here is the label printer. And then each of the profiles will be allocated to the designated section. Well, let's look at here. And as you can see, there are several units of machine are connected to the conveyor belt. And this one is one of our drilling machine. It's designed to drill for the aluminum profiles. The spindle is made from Italy, and its power is 9.5 kilowatts. So it is much faster, and it will bring you higher productivity. There are 4 clamps to hold your aluminum profiles. And with this machine, you can perform drilling on 3 faces of aluminum profiles at one time. Well, this is also a drilling machine. And after drilling, here is one of our end milling machine. So it's designed to cut the marlins for the aluminum profiles. From the loading of raw materials to the stocking of finished products, the whole process is automatic. It brings you higher productivity and lower your labor cost. So if you are looking for a solution to boost your productivity, don't hesitate to contact us. We are the top 1 manufacturer for the CNC machining centers in China, and we strive to work out customized solution for your windows making. Well, you must have noticed that the huge display, and from this display the workers will see all the specifications of each profile, like its model code, its length, and its color. So when a set of windows frame is complete, the workers will know where he or she should place the windows frame. With such a design, all the potential mistakes will be avoided. Now I'm thrilled to unveil our flagship product, 5-axis CNC machining center. It's designed for multitasking. For example, with such a machine, you will be able to drill, mill, and cut all kinds of aluminum profiles. And here is the clamp. It's designed to hold aluminum profiles of various dimensions. And from here, well, let's look at the spindle. It is from Italy brand. All the components are from Europe suppliers, which ensures stable performance in very harsh surroundings. Now I want to show you one of the products that are made by our 5-axis CNC machining center. Well, look at this windows frame. Xumi Windows is using more than 9 units of CNC machines from us, and here is one of our double meter saw cutting machine. It's designed to cut aluminum profiles, and there are 2 meter saws with a diameter of 550 millimeter. Well, let's look at one sample. Can you see that? The curve is quite smooth and clean, and each of the meter saw can rotate from 50 degree to 90 degree, so it has a wide application. Well, Xumi Windows is using 4 units of our corner creepers in his factory, and after using 2 years, everything goes well for the machine. And well, let's look here. The max height of each profiles is 160 millimeter, and it features high productivity as it finishes corner creepings 4 times in 1 minute. And here you can rotate the supporting tower at various angles, so it is practical and productive